Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Keeping your car clean does more than make it look great. Regular cleaning helps protect the paint, keeps the interior fresh, and can even increase the value of your vehicle over time. The best part is that you do not need expensive tools or professional detailing services to keep your car looking its best. With a few simple supplies and a little time, you can give your vehicle a fresh, clean appearance right at home. The first step is to gather everything you need before you begin. A bucket, car wash soap, microfiber towels, a soft wash mitt, wheel brush, glass cleaner, vacuum cleaner, interior cleaner, and tire dressing are all helpful items. Avoid using household dish soap because it can strip away protective wax from your car's paint. A soap designed specifically for vehicles is much gentler and safer. Choose the right place to wash your car. If possible, park in a shaded area. Washing your car under direct sunlight may cause water and soap to dry too quickly, leaving behind streaks and water spots. A cool, shaded location gives you more time to rinse and dry the surface properly. Before applying any soap, rinse the entire vehicle with clean water. This removes loose dirt, dust, and sand that could scratch the paint while washing. Pay extra attention to the wheels and lower body panels because these areas usually collect the most dirt and road grime. Now prepare your bucket with water and car wash soap according to the instructions on the bottle. Dip your microfiber wash mitt into the soapy water and begin washing from the top of the vehicle. The roof is usually the cleanest part, while the lower sections are much dirtier. Working from top to bottom helps prevent rubbing dirt across cleaner surfaces. Wash one section at a time, such as the roof, hood, doors, or trunk. After cleaning each section, rinse it before moving to the next one. This prevents soap from drying on the paint. Use gentle, straight-line motions instead of circular scrubbing to reduce the chance of creating swirl marks. The wheels deserve special attention because they collect brake dust, mud, and road debris. Use a separate brush or sponge that is only for the wheels. Never use the same wash mitt on both the wheels and the paint because tiny metal particles from the brakes can scratch your car's finish. Clean each wheel thoroughly, including the spokes, lug nuts, and around the tire edges. Rinse everything well afterward. Once the washing is complete, rinse the entire vehicle one final time using clean water. Make sure all soap has been removed from every surface. Soap left behind can leave streaks and reduce the shine of your paint. Drying the car is just as important as washing it. Allowing the car to air dry often creates water spots, especially if your water contains minerals. Use large microfiber drying towels to gently dry the vehicle. Start from the roof and work your way downward. Patting or gently dragging the towel across the surface is usually safer than rubbing aggressively. After the car is dry, inspect the paint carefully. You may notice small spots that did not come off during washing. These could be tree sap, bird droppings, bug residue, or road tar. Specialized bug and tar removers can safely remove these stubborn contaminants. Always follow the product instructions and avoid scraping with sharp objects. If you want an even smoother finish, consider using a clay bar. A clay bar removes contaminants that remain stuck to the paint even after washing. Spray a clay lubricant on a small section and gently glide the clay across the surface. You will often be surprised by how much smoother the paint feels afterward. This step also prepares the surface for waxing. Applying wax is one of the best ways to protect your vehicle. Wax creates a protective layer that helps shield the paint from sunlight, rain, dirt, and other contaminants. It also makes future washing easier because dirt has a harder time sticking to the surface. Apply a thin, Even layer according to the product directions and buff it gently using a clean microfiber towel. Those simple cleaning steps can make a big difference in how your car looks and feels. Up next, we'll cover interior detailing, paint protection, and finishing touches that will help your vehicle stay cleaner for longer. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.